How to contact American Express customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can contact American Express customer support. So to do that, first of all, open the Amex app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on your account tab, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Or if you want to simply chat with the customer support, you can simply tap on this chat icon, which is in the top right corner of your screen, and then you can start a chat. But if you want to call them or view their frequently asked questions, tap on the option account. After that, scroll to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option help/contact us, and it will basically provide you four different options. So the first one is basically the chat with us. After that, the second one is customer service. The third one is frequently asked questions, and the fourth one is leave feedback. So if you are here to simply talk to the customer service, once you tap on it, it will basically provide you various different numbers right over here. So simply choose which issue you are having. So let's say you've simply lost your card, you can simply call this number right over here. Or if you're having any problems with your card, you can call this number right over here, and basically such as that. And if you want to chat with them, tap on the option chat with us once again. So that is basically how you contact American Express customer service or support. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.